This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, TD Bank is setting aside $2.6 billion to pay fines for violating anti-money laundering rules. Now, here's the thing. Do you think a bank that has been in business for so many years is not familiar with the anti-money laundering rules? Of course they are. But you know what? They violate them anyway. And you know why they violate them? And this is just my opinion. Because they make more money from violating the anti-money laundering rules than they make from following the rules. And they know that if they get caught, the fine is only gonna be a small amount of the money they make from violating the anti-money laundering rules. So if they can set aside $2.6 billion for violating a rule that you know they were fully aware of for years, and they violated it anyway, how much money did they make from violating the anti-money laundering rules? 100 billion? 200 billion? $1 trillion? I personally don't know. But if you can set aside $2.6 billion to pay fines for violating a law that's been on the books for 20 years, that tells me that you willfully violated that law because you knew that you could make a lot more money violating that law than the fine you would get if you got caught violating that law. And if they think $2.6 billion is going to be the fine, I would really love to see how much money they made violating the U.S. anti-money laundering rules. And this is not just in the banking industry. This is in the securities industry also. They naked short, they spoof, they abuse the dog pool. And they know it's against the law. They know it's a crime, but they don't care because they make much more money breaking the law than following the law. And they know that if they get caught spoofing, abusing the dog pool, naked shorts, FTDs, washing, if they get caught, the fines are usually only a small percentage of the money they make violating the law. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that TD Ameritrade made a whole lot more than $2.6 billion violating United States anti-money laundering laws? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.